What's the meaning of crapshoot? Crapshoot. Crapshoot.
Crapshoot. Crapshoot. Crapshoot is an informal expression that refers to a situation that is uncertain or unpredictable, or the outcome is unknown and could be good or bad. It is often used when referring to situations where success or failure is largely a matter of chance or luck. In essence, it can be seen as a gamble or a risky investment. As with any gamble, there is always the possibility of winning big or losing everything. The result of a crapshoot is thus unpredictable and entirely dependent on the roll of the dice, so to speak.